Okay, so in this video we will talk about personal pronouns, numbers from 1 to 10, and basic verbs. So let's get right into it. Ja, I in English, ja in Polish. Ty, you. On, ona, ono. He, she, it. My, we. Wy, you. Oni, one, they. I'm gonna keep it a little bit so that you can reread this and try to memorize as much as possible. So I'm gonna repeat it. Ja, it's I. Ty, it's you. On, he. Ona, she. Ono, it. Ono is for neutral. Me, not my. It's we. Wy, you. Oni, one, they. Oni for men. One for female and objects. So let's start with the numbers. And remember, if you have a problem with pronouncing or reading, just go back to the video that I've posted about alphabets, because I did the video about alphabets, so you can go revisit and remind yourself of how we read in Polish. So let's start with numbers right now. 0. It's written 0, but in Polish you say zero. 1, jeden. 2, 2. 3, trzy. Remember here the R and the Z, trzy. It's like you're saying R and J, trzy, but it's trzy, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to keep this slide a little bit longer so that you can repeat. I will repeat with you. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I hope you, I don't know, kind of memorized a little bit of it, but sooner or later you're gonna have to go back to this video or write them and then keep on memorizing it. You know, the most part that needs you to memorize and concentrate is the really beginning of learning a language. So if you now memorize and study it really good, you're gonna have really less problem in studying it later. So let's start with basic verbs. Bitch, not bitch, in English, means to be. So I know it is written, it is pronounced like bitch, but like it's not bitch. So don't laugh. Or you can laugh, whatever. I laughed actually when I first heard it. So let's start. Ja, jestem. I am. Ty jesteś. You are. On, ona, ono. Jest. He, she, it is. My jesteśmy. We are. Wy jesteście. You are. Oni, one są. They are. So I know this might be scary if you're seeing this for the first time, but this is one of the verbs that kind of exceptional. It changes so much. So bitch becomes jestem. I know it sounds kind of weird or scary, but you don't have to be scared. It's really easy. So let's repeat them again. So bitch becomes, for the first personal, ja, jestem, becomes jestem. And you can notice at the end of jestem, the only changing is the M. So all you have to do is remove M and put for ty this S with the she. So jesteś. On, ona, ono, jest. You just remove everything. And it's kind of usual, so you might relate. Jesteśmy. Jesteście. Są. This one is really different, but like it's, for example, in French, sont, Ils sont, for example, they are. And many people will, I don't know, would know it. Even it's the same in Spanish, I guess. So let's move on. The verb to have, it's mieć. Okay? So this one is also kind of, it changes from the infinitive verb or from the basic verb. The form changes and becomes mam. Masz, ma, mamy, macie, maczą. Mają, sorry. But it's easy. So, yeah, mam. And if you notice, you have M all the time, almost all the time, when you're saying the first person. Not always, but in some verbs it's M, okay? So, ja mam, ty masz, on, ona, ono, ma. You remove everything, the same as here. You remove everything. Okay, my mamy, wy macie, oni, one mają. So please, these things, you're gonna have to go over it again. And once you know these rules and this like really basics, really basic stuff actually, then learning the language is gonna be easier, way easier, because all you're gonna have to learn is grammar, how to connect things, new words, but like you will know the basics, the conjugation, which is the really essence of this language, of every language. So let's go forward. Robić, to do. Here I kind of put it in red because in many verbs that ends with each, like robić, then do usually or generally get conjugated in the same way. So let's see the examples. Ja robię. So you remove the ch from the end, ci, and you put ę. And this is really usual. So you can learn this and learn many by learning just one verb. Okay. Ja robię, ty robisz, on, ona, ono robi. You remove in this third person, you remove things. Usually, my robimy, wy robicie, oni robią. So if you noticed, they are always the same. You always add on, for example, for the plural, and usually for the first personal singular, you add L or M at the end. These things are really simple. All you have to do is memorize. And I've written it in English, so all you have to do is go back to the video again if you couldn't memorize it the first time. Let's go to the next verb, which is the last for today. Mówić, to speak. If you notice, it's the same as robić, like the same ending, so it's gonna be the same conjugation. So ja mówię, ty mówisz, on, ona, ono mówi, my mówimy, wy mówicie, oni, one mówią. The same pattern, really easy. So let's see some examples. Ja jestem lekarzem. I am a doctor. Here we're gonna learn a little bit more words, so it's gonna be nice. Lekarz means doctor, lekarzem. Here we've changed the form. You don't have to worry about this right now. We're gonna talk about it later. It's also easy. So just have an idea. Ja jestem lekarzem. I am a doctor. My jesteśmy mili. We are nice. One są kolorowe. They are colorful. I put this between brackets because you don't have to say ja in Polish. You can just say jestem lekarzem. You don't have to say the I or the first personal. Ty masz jeden klucz. You have one key. Co ty robisz? What are you doing? Co means what? Ja mówię po polsku. I speak Polish. Ona ma owoc. She has a fruit. Owoc means fruit. And the last one. Oni mają dwa plecaki. They have two backpacks. So remember, dwa means two. And I guess this is the end of it. I hope you understood and you enjoyed the video. And if you have any question, you can write in the comments. And please, if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can see the upcoming videos. And I'm gonna put down the link for the last video for the basics for the alphabet if you kind of find a hard time finding it. Okay, so thank you.